What is heartbreak? Heartbreak is an expectation, a process whereby you cast people and place them in a role or position that they are not able to fulfill. My name is Okoro Blessing Nkiruka, and I'm popularly known as Blessing CEO, your #1 relationship therapist in Africa, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to heal from a heartbreak, how to come out of that heartbreak story. I know they are going to save all of us breakfast. They go give all of us breakfast chop. They don't serve you breakfast. So if they have served you breakfast of heartbreak, I'm going to be teaching you how to come out of that heartbreak, how to heal from it very, very fast. So I want you to pay attention, because I know that this breakfast is going to go around to all of us. Heartbreak is just an expectation. When you meet people, you forget that they are human. You place them so high, put your expectations, your assumptions, some positions, you forget that they are not God. Yes, they are not God. They are human beings. When we start to date people, when we start to love people, we forget that they are human beings. And what makes us human beings is the ability to disappoint one another. Yes, it is only God that cannot disappoint you. Human beings will disappoint you, and that's why we're human. Have you ever wondered why the Bible said forgive 70 times 7 times? It's because God already knows that human beings are going to offend you, break your heart, hurt you, and disappoint you. So #1 way of healing from that heartbreak and from that breakup is to accept the breakup. I know you have imagined a future that has disappeared. A lot of you have built a lot of castles in the air. You have put yourself in different positions. Oh my God, your head is filled up with the future. I understand. But the first rule is to accept the breakup. Wake up to reality. Enough of the fantasy. Wake up to reality. One major role you need to play when people break up with you and when people leave you is to stop lying to yourself. Most of you live so much in lies. That's the reason why it's so hard for you to come out of breakup. Accepting the breakup is sitting down, internalizing the truth and telling yourself, this is over. Stop living in illusion. #2, understanding why you broke up in the first place. One of the easiest way to let people go and this breakup wahala is to understand, why did I even break up with this person? Most of you need to be able to digest the reason why you actually left this person, the circumstances that have surrounded it. When you remind yourself of why you actually broke up at the first place, you will say, oh, it ain't good enough for me. Exactly. So you need to have an understanding why you broke up with this person and tell yourself, I deserve better. In my place, they are going to say, Ifoma diaguagu, good things no defeat. Which takes us to #3, hope. You need to be able to keep your hope alive and trust the future. The reason why some of you are still broken is because you do not trust the future. You don't have hope. You have already felt that this person is your life. Most of you have depended your life on a human being. And that is the worst mistake you can make in your life. You meet a man and you put your life in the hands of a man, or you meet a woman and put your life in the hands of a woman. Are they God? Remember what I told you from the beginning. They are human. What makes us human is the ability to disappoint one another. We will disappoint you. A lot of people do not mean to disappoint you, but because they are not God, they do not have power over the control of the things and circumstances that happen, so they will disappoint you. So long as people are not God, they would always disappoint you. So when you have this understanding at the back of your mind, you understand that sometimes some certain things can be circumstances. They don't have power or control over it. Accept the fact that you cannot control anybody apart from yourself. Stop investing your well-being with the perception of other people. Some of you need to understand that you cannot control a human being. When you have this understanding, when people break up with you, you just let go, because you don't have that power. There are some things that you don't have the power to do. Maybe when you have the power, you'd have been able to manipulate people and control them and all that. But you don't have that power. So when you have that understanding that I can't control this person, and this person have the power to make decisions for themselves and make choices for themselves, when they tell you they no longer want you, you put your dignity together and let them go. The only control you can control is yourself, because you own yourself. So that's the reason why when they break your heart, you'll be the one to talk to yourself, sit yourself down, tell yourself, it's time to let go. Let me build something else for myself. It's called hope. #5, love yourself. This #5 is the biggest strategy to heal from heartbreak. Let me tell you something. All those love that you give to somebody and they threw it back at yourself, at your face, throw it back to yourself. Did you hear what I said? All those love you give to a man and to a woman and they threw it to your face, throw it into yourself. When you throw love into yourself, it's going to attract somebody to come and love you. Let me tell you something that happens during heartbreak. When people break your heart, you leave yourself. You start to, you want to kill yourself. You start to hurt yourself. You no longer take care of yourself. That's the reason why you can no longer attract anything that is good. Remember, that person that broke your heart and came into your life, what attracted that person who broke your heart was the fact that you were taking care of yourself. You were loving yourself. It was the love you had for yourself that attracted the person to want to come and love you. So when they break your heart, don't forget to take care of yourself. It is time for you to invest that love back in yourself. Don't leave yourself. A lot of you are going to say, Blessing, it's not easy. Blessing is not easy. You're just saying it is not easy. Remember I said they have served all of us breakfast, including me. It go reach everybody. Everybody have experienced heartbreak. But you have to pick the pieces of your life and move on and become better. Now they break your heart. Nobody die. So if they break your heart, you go back to the drawing board. Find Dangote cement. Patch and back. We move. With this viewpoint of mine, I hope I've been able to convince and not to confuse you that heartbreak is very normal. But it's time for you to pick up the pieces of your life and move on. Good things are in front, just like my name. For those of you who are not Igbo, Nkiruka. It simply means the future is greater than the past. Take good care of yourself and the good things of life will come to you. I love you.